There's a view from the bell tower on Venice. Beautiful view. Our hotel is right here, right there across the water. That's where the Hilton is. This is the St. Mark's Square. Obviously a place you have to visit when you go to Venice. Train station's over here, right there, by the big cruise ship there. Airport's out in the distance, across the water. Wonderful big bells that ring on the hour. You don't want to be here when those ring. Cost €8 to get up here, and they don't take credit cards, so Visa does not go everywhere. Well, it's beautiful.